Hi friends, I am Sanjay. I hope all of you are good. In this video, our discussion topic will be architecture. So here in the last video, I have discussed on the structure model, and here I will start to update the architecture. So let me show you this structure here. So this is the structure what I have created last time. So this is the structure I believe, and let me check the 3D, and you can see the 3D. And here what we need, you can see the covering wall around the column we need to draw. So where we can draw, because you know in the architecture if I make it, then the beside wall it can join automatically. So in that case, this wall if I can make them in the structure, it will be helpful and it will be very good to model, and there will be no auto joint. So let me start here. Go to the structure, and here I need to model the cover wall. So for that, here go to the architecture, here the wall architecture, and you can take wall on any side just like here. So here you can see DI. Let me measure the wall here. You can check it is 1 inch. So if you need to make the unit here UN, and length I need to make it mm for the working purpose only. And here you can take the mm and okay. And now you can check this wall. I need to make it 25. So edit type and duplicate, and I need to make it 25. And here remove the 2 and okay. And here structure, and here I need to make it 25 and okay. And now you can move the wall here on this structure. Now let me check the section here, because I need to make it confirm. So here take the section, and take the section here, go to the view, and here let me take fine, and here wireframe. And now you can check this wall is this much. So I have to stretch the wall up to the slab. You can see this is the slab, and here this is okay. So here for now check in the plan, and here mirror it, and take the copy and mirror as per this axis. Now copy the element here. It is joining automatically with the structure. In that case, Ctrl Z and copy again, and keep it here, rotate and 90 degree, and move the element on this location. And now trim the corner, and trim corner, and take this wall, and here mirror it. So here copy and mirror the Ctrl Z. I do the mistake, and here mirror and mirror. Take this axis line, and here copy, and you can check this is the center line, exact center line, and this is I can trim it like this. So you can check in the 3D how it looks. So one of the column is covered by the wall. You can see this is the wall. If you need to make this wall as a different material, you can, but this wall can be covered by other wall. In that case, no need to make any material for now. So just leave it, and go to the plan again, and select the wall together and copy them. Okay, so take the multiple, and I believe I can take wall here. You can check this is a wall. If you place the wall here like this, in this case you can face the problem, because the wall will join automatically with the structure. So in that case, Ctrl Z, and here just tab and select copy and place it here, and rotate it 90 degree. Now align the wall as per the column, and here align first, then align it up to this, then align it up to this. Now it is ready, and here tab it, copy, and here just take the element here, just align the wall, and here align it, and just align it with this column, and here you can align like this. So copy and tab and copy. And now the next is where, so here, so rotate it. So this wall is missing. So in that case, again Ctrl Z, and here tab and select. You can now check everything is now selected, copy them, and here you can place it and rotate it. So just tab and rotate 90 degree, and here align first with this line, and here as per this line, and align it. Okay, you can do the same thing, and tab and select, copy. Now rotate the element 45 degree, or if it is not 45, in that case move the element here somewhere in this location, Now rotate, and I have to place this point here, and here you can rotate it like this. So here again align the edge first with this line, and here with this line, again align it and again align it. So just tab and now select them together, copy. Now you can see there is no another angle column, I believe, so everything looks straight. So here escape and select them, and here now they are selected. So copy and here align it and align it and align it with this line, and here with this line, and tab and select, copy, and the remaining portion is this one. Again align it and again align it and again align this wall with this column edge, and here now it is done. So here select them again. So in this way you can speed up your process. So here align it. So you can check one element is now missing because I have copied more elements. So here tab, you can see the column also selected. So here copy again, and here you can place it. You can see every time it is a problem, so copy again. If it is a problem, then trim it first, then align it, and then align it, and then align this, and then align, and tab and select, copy, and it is now done. So align the element here, align it, and here align it. So again select them, and here just align the element with this line, and here with this line, and here with this line, and select them like this, copy and align them and align it and align with this line and align with this line. So again select them, and here they are same. So for it, so just align it and here align it. Okay, just align again, and here align and here align. So just tab and select the all element, and here rotate them 90 degree, and you can first align it, and align and align. So just select them, copy, and here just you can take alignment here, then align it and then align it. Now what is the remaining? Let me check. So here now how many 4 walls are selected? So copy again. So where? So here I believe not done. So here again align, again align, again align, again align. Select them, copy, and here align first with this line, then this line, then this line, and then this line, and here copy them, and here just first align this line. Okay, so align and align. Okay, so here tab it, copy. Now where is the remaining? Here many thing. Okay, then here align first, and here then, and here. Okay, first then select them and align the line. Okay, so you can align it like this. So here tab and select, copy. Okay, so Ctrl Z, they are not selected yet, so copy again, and you can take the element like this, and here align it and align it. So here tab, 4 element they are selected, copy again. Now this element, so here align first, and then align, sorry, so first this edge and then this edge. Copy 4 element, so copy again here. So align the wall, so here align it and align it. So anything remaining? So everything is now done, I believe. So okay, so you can select the walls and you can copy paste in the ground floor. Let me check, is it possible? So 3D, you can see everything now covered by the external wall. So here go to the left again, so select like this and filter, and I need the wall only, so they are only selected. So here the column, they are selected or not. Let me check in the first floor, they are also selected, so this means these are also wall. So what I'll do, just unselect them. Okay, so the process is easy to unselect this number of column, and here unselect, it should be as a column, but no problem, you can take as per your requirement. And here just unselect, unselect, and unselect, 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 unselect here. Sorry, here I have so select again, then unselect. Now unselect, unselect. Now unselect here, then unselect here. So how many elements I have selected? 88 elements. So here copy again, Ctrl C, and go to ground floor, and here you can see there is no external wall, then only here paste and align to current view. So you can check the walls has been pasted here on the ground floor, but there is a different. So in that case, no, I believe it is not different, there is a problem in the view range. No problem, leave it, and it is now okay. Stretch the column up to this, or you can align it up to this. And here also some issue I have seen, and here you can see, so the column is here, so here align first here with this line, and here go to the 3D again, check. So you can see the floor height is different, so align and take this surface, no, this surface. So here this surface I need to pick. Now you can do the align like this, but here okay, take this one, you can align it like this. So let me check what is the remaining, and here just align them like this. Okay, just like this you can align it. Okay, so just pick. Okay, you can align them like this. Okay, now let me check this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge. So where the snap is coming, you can pick there, so it will be automatically aligned with this slab. And okay, but press the Ctrl in the same time, and here just align it. So here align it like this. You can rotate the view like this, you can align it. So here you can align them like this. Okay, align it, align it, align it, align it, align it, and align, 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 and align. So here on another edge, so this edge also, and here also I need to align, and you can see there is no remaining wall, so everything is now aligned with the slab. Here only one remaining, and again rotate, again rotate, here something here. So you can check like this. Okay, again let me check, here one, here one, and here one, and let me check if any pending. There is no wall, I have to copy it, only one column there is a issue. So here is the column, so let me check the column here, this one. So select it, and you can check it is not aligned only. So go to the ground floor only, and here you can check this wall, I need to align it with the column. So just you can see, so go to the find, and here wireframe. So okay, there is no problem I believe now. So only problem was the hatch, no issue, I believe it is clear. So okay, I believe everything looks good. Now we have to go to the road level. So VV again, take the CAD, and okay, and you can see everything looks good. And let me check on the road level. So here open it, and let me check, there is also covering wall. So for it, what I can, so go to the 3D again, and let me check what is the distance from floor to floor. Okay, so no problem, I can copy it. So go to the left or any view, So here you can see the distance here I cannot measure it, so just copy this floor only, or I can take what, so go to the section again, you can see this wall I need to extend it up to the slab, and it is not matching only, you can see this center and this center is matching. So in that case I have to copy the first floor. So select the wall together, and here again go to the first floor, again unselect the column. So you know this is my mistake, I have to do it by column, but no problem, I do the model, so in that case I cannot change it, so no problem. So again go to the 3D, select the walls, and here just shift press and unselect it, and here unselect it, unselect and unselect, and where is the column, no problem, they are selected. So here like this you can unselect your columns and unselect, so this one and only two are remaining, and here you can unselect, so unselect it. Now no column has been selected, now only the external wall around it they are selected. So here only copy them, and let me check, yeah they are selected, copy them and go to the road level, and now in the road level you can Ctrl V and or paste it, align to current view, and there will be some overlap or something, you can see the elements are here. Okay, so in the 3D you can check there is a problem, I have to adjust it, and in the 3D you can see the walls are here, so just go to the left and here move them. Okay, move them and don't take the constant, and move them here on this location. Now they have been moved, and now what I can, so you can see the walls are here, and for it I have to do one thing. So problem is that go to the road level and check this wall, so just adjust them and move them with this midpoint and take the midpoint. And now what I'll do, go to any section, like here this section is the full section, so go to the section, and here you can see the walls are up to this, so here align and take the snap and align it. So just like click and every time by pressing the Ctrl, and you can align them together, no problem. So just press the Ctrl, and here you can align them like this. Okay, so everything okay, align, and there are lots of elements, that's why it will take time, no problem. I can align them like this, so align it and align, just click and okay, so align it and again align, now done. So click and you can do okay, now they are aligned, and go to the 3D, now you can see the proper element. Now what I'll do, you can make the element for this wall, but no problem, leave it for now, and go to the road level, and here just save the model, and let me go to the architecture. So the architecture is here, so the architecture ML, now you can reload it. Okay, so wait and watch, and okay, now the around wall has been updated here, so the next process will be easy to model the wall. So here I will start from where, so you can see from the ground floor I can start easily. So you can see the wall around the column. Now what I have to create a wall type. So for that, so go to the wall and architecture wall, so here take any wall and let me measure it. So before it UN, here the unit is mm, so no problem, so DI, and you can measure it, this is 229. okay, so 229 means what will be the inch value, you can take unit and here feet and imperial. Okay, so I can take it and let me measure it again. In the imperial it is 9-inch wall, so I can take 9-inch wall, proper 9-inch wall, so it will also match with this thickness. So in that case select the wall, and here you can go to the edit type and here duplicate, and I have to take 9-inch wall. In that case, if this is 9-inch, in that case you have to take 9, the symbol will be here, the inch, and okay, now go to the structure, and here I have to take 9-inch, and okay and okay. So you can see you can align the wall up to this, and you can align it up to this. So this is the wall, but I need this hatch also. In that case, edit type, and here structure, and here the category, and here you can create a wall material. So here new, and let me take the name wall. Okay, enter. Then take the same color, or you can pick any color. So I believe I can take a color here on the appearance. So the appearance color, I can take this color. Okay, take this color for now. And the graphics, take the appearance color, and here there will be no reflectivity, only in the graphics I have to check the color. So here I need the color, and here same color, let me take 213 and 213, and here okay. And pattern, you can take the pattern here, this one you can take. So okay, now in the cut pattern I have to take the same hatch, and okay. If you want to take the same color, like here 213 and 213, this will be this color, and okay. And background, no need color, and take the setup, and okay and okay. Let me check what will be the result, and you can see the hatch looks like this. If you will stretch the wall, the hatch will run automatically in this way. So here in this way you can take your wall up to this. Okay, so this corner up to this corner. And if you want to adjust the hatch, in that case let me check the hatch name. So here and here you can see the hatch name is brickwork. In that case, how to edit the brickwork hatch? So here manage, additional setting, and here the line pattern or hatch pattern I have to select. So fill hatch, and there is this brickwork hatch, and edit. Now make it 0.5 and okay and okay. The wall looks like this, and here CS, and take the wall on this line and trim the wall, and take the wall up to this, and you can align it up to this, and take the wall. But problem is that I have to make a section, and maybe this wall is not aligned with floor to floor. So here go to the section, again select the wall. I'm working on the ground floor. In that case, stretch the wall, and stretch the wall up to this floor, and here take the fine, and here wireframe, and take the wall up to this I can take. And you can check the hatch is visible in the wall, no problem, I can take it. So this hatch you can eliminate from this section. In that case, you can go to the ground floor, again check this is the front view, and this is not cut view. In that case, select the wall, you can go to the view and select the wall, edit type, and here edit, and in the wall material, so the foreground I don't need any hatch. So here no pattern, and okay and okay and okay, and now okay. So you can check only the cut area, there will be hatch, and there will be no hatch when I am looking forward, and no problem, this is okay, I believe done. And this is now floor to floor, and check again CS, and here take another wall and stretch the wall up to this, and here align the wall up to this, copy or CS, and take the wall up to this, and here just take the wall up to this, and you can see this is not matching. So here just copy the wall and align the wall with this line, and here, and move the wall and move it on this line, and trim the wall. Let me take, it will work, no. So in that case, take the wall with this corner and trim the wall like this. So now you can align the wall up to this, and this much wall I cannot take, so there is only one option. So delete it and take the wall up to this. Okay, again there is another component, so mod it in place, take the wall element, and okay. Now wall 1, no problem, you can take the wall here. So here you can take the extrusion, and take the extrusion on this face, and here finish it. Now finish it. Now you can check by section, So take any section on this location, and now you can see what will happen. So this is the element, and go to the section and right click, select previous. You can stretch the element up to the slab. Now you can check on the ground floor. Now you can see this is the wall element. Now you can see this is the wall, but it looks like this. If you want to make any hatch, in that case edit in place. So here select it, and here the material, you can pick the same material, wall material here. So okay, and here finish it, and now you can see the result is like this. So here go to the 3D, you can see how it looks. So take the fine, and here the shade mode, and here right click, or you can check this corner you have drawn or you have modeled the wall. It looks like this, and go to the ground floor. And now what I can, so this wall I need to model, and here rotate the wall, and here take the wall up to this, or you can align it up to this, and here you can see this much wall. So here copy the wall, and there is no wall I believe. So here for this just align it with this, and here copy another wall. So rotate the wall, and let me check. So let me check the wall, align the wall as per this, and here take the wall up to this, and trim the wall, and this wall will be like this. Now what will happen, I need to take this wall also. So here take the wall up to this. Okay, now it looks like this. Ctrl Z, the same theory here. So align it. Okay, you cannot align it. So like this you can stretch the wall up to this. Now what I can, so the same solution will be here also. So here I can stretch it more. Now okay, so this much wall I need. So here also you can do the thing like this corner will be visible. So the architecture not properly good. So in that case the only solution will be here, delete it, and the corner I can take it like this, and this portion for what I don't know, but I will take the wall like this. So here for now select this element, copy it here, and take the copy because this is the odd shape. In that case edit in place, and edit extrusion. So here delete the lines and take the new line here. As per this corner you can take the element. Okay, so here and again, and just finish it, and now finish it. You can see the result is same. If you make it correct, in that case also you have to do the same thing like this. Okay, stretch the wall up to this as much as you can, edit in place, and here select the element, edit extrusion. Here the line will be up to this, take the line here up to this, and here take the corner and finish it, and finish it. Now you can see the wall looks like this. Now we have to go for the another wall. So take the wall for this location and rotate it 90 degree, and move the wall here, or you can align it, and here you can align the wall up to this column. Again copy the wall, and here I can align it and align it up to this. Again copy the wall here, and take the small wall up to this edge, and here take it, and also up to this, and align it, and align the wall up to this. Trim corner, trim corner, and take another wall. I can take the wall up to this, and align it up to this, and align up to this. For now let me finish the wall. So copy the wall. Okay, so here stretch the wall up to this, and align it, and align it, and there is no wall. Yeah, there is wall, but this is different. Just for now take the wall up to this, and here copy the wall and align it. And one thing is that I have to create another wall and align the wall up to this, and take the wall, or let me check what is the thickness for this wall. Let me find this wall, let me check. So di, it is 4-inch wall. In that case, copy the wall here and edit type, and here duplicate. I have take 4-inch, remove the 2, and I have to take it in the structure 4-inch, and okay, and okay. Now it is 4-inch, so just turn it here and align the wall up to this and trim the corner. Now you can see this wall will be up to this, and there will be some gap, but problem is that I have to manage this placing door or something, or if it is open, in that case there will be no open, because so let me check. Okay, so here section, if it is open or there will be only glass door, in that case this is the kitchen, there will be a door, I believe. If there is no door, so the air will come here in this area. In that case, odor smell come inside the room. There will be some door, no problem, leave it for now, and I will place the door here and copy one wall here and turn it and align the wall up to this and trim the corner, and here up to this I can align the wall, and here I need another wall. So here just take the align up to this wall, and here align it and align up to this. So copy again and copy it, so align the wall up to this column, and here take the wall up to this, or you can trim it, no problem. So another wall will be here, so take the wall and align the wall up to this and trim the corner, and it is now done. So there is the another wall, so take this wall here and align it up to this and align it, or you can join it by stretch it, and here this will be on another wall. So take the wall up to this, and I believe this is wrong, and it should be up to this. This is drafting issue, I believe. So now take another wall, so copy the wall, and here I can take the wall up to this, and here align the wall up to this and take the wall up to this and trim the corner, and there will be door. Okay, so the door will be the next touch, no problem. For now, fix the wall, and wall should be aligned up to the column and align it up to the column, and there will be another wall, so copy the wall. Okay, copy the wall, and you can align the wall up to this column and copy another wall, so rotate the wall up to this and here and align it and trim the corner, and here take the wall up to this, and you can see this wall. I don't know if you want to see, this is I believe structural wall. In that case I have to do it in the structural model. So okay, so this is for ground floor, and let me find the first floor. So first floor there is no structural wall, so I have to take the structural wall in this portion. So for that, go to the structural model, and you can see the architecture, it is not loaded here, so I have to go to the ground floor, and this is the wall. So here take this column as a wall, and this is wall also, and this is the thickness, you can see 2 to 9, and if you want UN and make it fit, and okay, now you can see the thickness 9 inch. Select the wall edit type, and here duplicate, and here I can take 9 and remove the 2, and let me take edit and take it 9, and okay. Now okay, so here you can take the wall here, and it will be a structural wall, and I can make the wall up to this and take the wall up to this, and it will be up to this, and it is a structural wall. As you can see in the 3D, I can show you this is the structural wall. And now go to the first floor. This wall is now done on the ground floor, this wall. Okay, so just save the model and go to the architecture, and the architecture is here. So ML, and take the Revit link and select the link and reload, click OK. Now the wall is visible here. So this wall will be up to this, and you can align the wall up to this, and it is now done. Again I have to copy this wall for this location, and again take the wall up to this line, and I have to align the wall up to this column and align it, and take the wall on this location and align the wall, and here align the wall. So align the wall up to this and copy the wall and take the wall like this, and here select the wall and move it and align the wall up to this, align the wall up to this column and copy the wall and turn your wall, or you can align the wall up to this and trim the corner. Okay, so here you can stretch the wall like this, and you can see this wall also will be as a structural wall, so it is very important also. And if it is not structure, in that case it will be a lobby. And let me check in the PDF. You can see on the ground floor there is no hatch. It means that there is no wall. It means there will be no structural wall, so leave it, and only the wall will be up to this. So go to the Revit, and here the wall, and it will be up to this edge, and take the wall up to this and copy the wall, and here turn the wall like this and align it and trim the corner, and here align the wall up to the column edge and copy the wall, and here you can copy it, align the wall up to the column, align it up to the column, and here copy the wall like this and turn the wall like this. I can align it up to this and align it up to this, and copy the wall here and align it up to this, align it up to this, and trim the corner. Now there is no wall, and there is no wall, so copy the wall and rotate the wall 90 degree and align the wall up to this and align it up to this and align the wall up to the column, and perfect. So copy the wall and align the wall up to the column, so here up to this, and here it should be up to the column. And now the next will be here the wall, and you can turn the wall like this, align the wall up to this and align the wall up to this, or trim the wall like this. Now copy the wall here and take the wall like this and align the wall up to this, align it with the column and align it and align the wall up to this. Now it's okay. Now copy the wall, and here I can copy it and stretch the wall, align the wall and align the wall up to the column, and here it is now done. And copy the wall and turn the wall like this and align the wall up to this and align it and align it. So now it is over. So only this wall I have to take. So here you can see there is a problem. In that case you can stretch the wall, and here you can stretch the wall, so just align it and align it. So there is a problem, it is joining automatically. So in that case what we can do, so in that case you can take this wall, because this wall can separate. Okay, so here copy, and here I need minimum one small wall. Here is the wall, and let me check again. So align it again the same problem. And here if you make the wall like this, so again edit in place, edit and edit extrusion, and remove the all lines, and here let me take a small wall. Okay, so here finish it and align the wall up to this, or finish it and here align the wall up to this. Now they will not join automatically, no problem. So now what I can, so here I need another wall, so turn the wall like this and align it, and here I can align. You can see they are connecting automatically. In that case same solution to unjoin them, so rotate them 90 degree and move the wall, so the midpoint is here. So I can take the wall and align the wall up to this. So this is Revit bugs, you cannot manage it. So in that case you have to do this solution. So here again just align it up to this, and there is no wall, I have to take the wall. So for it this wall I need, and here take the wall and turn it and align the wall up to this, and take the wall up to this and take, and here I need another wall, so copy the wall and turn it like this and align it up to this and align it up to the column and trim the corner. And I need another wall on this location and turn it and place the wall here and align it and take the wall up to this and copy the wall and rotate the wall 90 degree and align the wall up to this and align it with this column. You can see the same issue. In that case, stretch the wall like this and take this element also in this location, and here I can take it, so I can align the wall up to this and you can align the wall up to this. So now I have to take this wall, so copy the wall and take the wall here, align the wall up to this and align the wall up to the column, and here align the wall up to the column, and now it is copy, and another wall will be here, and wall need to align with this column and take the wall up to this, and here the small wall I can take it up to this, align the wall up to this and trim corner and take the wall up to this. Now the wall I can take, so here stretch the wall up to this, align the wall up to this and take the wall up to this. Now they are joined. Now any wall that we need to model, here everything looks okay, so there will be another wall, so copy any wall and take the wall here and take it up to this, align the wall up to this, align it and align the wall up to this and up to this. So there is no remaining wall, I cannot find it. So here you can see everything is now over. So now what will be the next I have to do the door and windows. So here for that, here you can find architecture and here the windows or door. So here already we have this door, and this door you can check the size. So for now check here the door and let me find the length. So you can see the length is 2 feet and check the line thickness. So here copy the length and here select it and edit type and duplicate and control V and okay. No, I should not take like this, so just UN, and here first let me make it millimeter and mm and okay. So here you can see DI dimension, this is 915. Now I have to check this is how much, so I have to check this is 640 like this. So here select this element, edit type and duplicate, and it should be 650. Now the height will be same, okay, and it will be 650 and okay. And let me check CS and place the door here. You can see the door looks like this. If you want different door, in that case let me check on the close other view and here second floor, and let me check on the second floor the door looks like this. I can use this door also. So in that case edit family, and here you can see the problem is coming. In that case select the wall together, copy, and on the ground floor control V and paste the wall here on the location here. You can see wall has been copied, so here you can edit the wall. So in that case just select the wall, you know already, edit type and here duplicate, and here it should be 650. okay, so just VP I can take. Okay, so here I need another dimension here with 650 and okay. Now you can see the door will be like this, so delete it and delete it. And now what you can, so delete it and CS and just place the door here on this location and flip it, and there is option, but problem is the thickness. So DI you can see, and we don't need this much, so 150 is the size, so I need this much, so I need 102 and here let me check and edit type and thickness. I can take duplicate and I need another size, multiply 102, okay, remove 2 and okay, and let me check the parameter here. So 150 I need to make it different, so let me find out the handle offset. There is no parameter like this. In that case, frame width 50 and here 300, so there is no parameter for now. Okay, edit family. Now we can check. So okay, so I need to edit it. So here VV and they have view and floor plan, and here you can see the wall closer location, this much thick, and total length for 120, this much, and here lal offset thickness, okay, leave this much, and 120 is the parameter for now. Just close this one, and this is for which type, and let me find this one is for this, and you can see the frame depth. So this is 150, so I have to find the frame depth. So close this family and close this one, and here select this one, edit type and frame width, this is 50. Now let me make 25 and apply. What will be the changes? There is no change. Make it 50 and apply it, and this is not the solution. Okay, so I don't need this parameter. Let me check the other thing. So if any other option I have, and here width and okay, and now di, this is 150 dl, and here this is around 150, and okay, I can use, but problem is this element it not look proper. In that case I can use this family only. Okay, just flip it, and you can flip it like this, and this is only the solution, or I can make the different family. So here let me check another. So for now check here door, and let me check in the family, load family. You can load every family, so Control A and open. Just okay, I need them all together. Now they are loaded, so just select the door and you can find any one of them. Like here it looks like this, so you can use it, or let me check the others, maybe you like this one. And here this one I can use in the kitchen, single place. Already I have taken these things, and here this is not good. Let me find this one, 650, this is the generic, and let me find from here. So this one I can take. What will be the shape? And this shape I cannot use. Let me find another. So this is a single door, one panel. I can take this one, and here for that width I can take it 650 and apply it. How they look? So now okay, the door looks like this. Okay, so you can take it. And other thing, let me check in the 3D, and okay, go to the 3D. Now you can check the door. So remove this wall, no need, and here will be another. So just for that, here the 3D, where it is. So here 3D. Now make it duplicate. Okay, duplicate with detailing, and check the ground floor again, and select the door and wall and BX. You can see the door. Now the door looks like this, and the ground floor it looks like this. Problem is that this is the outside element. I can edit them, and this element I don't need them. Delete and delete. The door looks like this now, and load into the project and home architecture and override. Let me check how it looks. You can see the lines still they are visible. So for that, go to the floor plan. Maybe some lines are here. So this line, and this is a detail item. So detail item I don't need them, and delete them and load into the project and home architecture I need, and override. Now how they looks like this, I believe. Okay, this portion I can manage, no issue. I can take this one, and let me make it again 650. Okay, and let me check how they looks now. Okay, I can take this one. I believe it is good, and you can check in the 3D. In this 3D you can see this is the family 3D, so don't need it. And here this 3D you can see the door looks like this. so it is okay, I believe. And now the door, I can see here the door. Now you can see this is the different size door. So for it you can see DL from this corner to this corner, this is almost 800. Select the door, edit type, and here duplicate, and okay, I can take 800 wall. So here the 800 width door I need. So okay, and you can see it looks like this, and leave it for now, or just this door is different, so CS, and it will be 650. Now you can see the door, they looks like this, and you can take it like this. And again the other thing, I can stretch the wall up to this wall. And the next I need another door. So here this door is same here, so the thickness of this wall, it can be the same wall. So only stretch the wall up to this, and take this door and CS, place the door here, and you can place the door like this and flip the door like this. Okay, or if you want different size, no issue, but take this one, no problem. And here also the same thing, CS, and you can take this door here, and it is okay. This door is a little bit small, I believe. CS, and here place the door and flip the door on the other side, and here the same size, you can take this door here, or you can match property if the door is different, and flip the door like this and little bit move it, and CS again, and the door will be here. So I can flip the door like this, and here another door will be here. So the wall thickness, I can take it this much. So here align the wall up to this, and you can see the doors are also copied. So remove them, and here stretch the wall up to this and trim it, and again move the wall here on this location. And here I need double door. In that case, first select this door and place it here, and flip it on the other side, and here there will be one double door, I can take it, and it is huge. So in that case I have to take this one, this is not required. Let me find another double door. So this one I can take, but the door is looks like glass wood. It is a mixing door made by different material. I can take it in the main entrance, I believe it is the entrance. Here the car drop, and here the door. So let me measure it. So DL, I can take the distance from here to here 1400, or I can take it 1420. Select the door, and here edit type, and the length will be 14 or 1420. Duplicate 1420. Okay, so the height I can take the same. Okay, so 2 meter 1400. Okay, so then make it okay, and you can see the door looks like this. I can edit something here. So for that, how I can do it? So here edit family, I don't need the wood, so delete it and delete it. From here go to the plan, and here I don't need this detail, delete them, and load into the project home architecture, it's okay. And here now override. Now let me check how they looks. Now it looks okay, I believe. Now in the next task, let me check in the 3D how it looks. I have to check the overall plan, and the door looks like this. So go to the plan again, let me check the other door. So here CS, and place the door here, but the size is different, so make it match 40, or this is the big size. Let me measure it. So DL, again check it from here up to this. So 950 I can take, or 930. So select this one, edit type, and here duplicate and make it 930, and remove the 2. Okay, and make it 930. Okay, and it is now okay. So flip it and move the door like this, and okay, I believe it is okay. So here the next will be here, so there will be some wall. So for that I have to copy wall, so just connect the wall with this, and here just stretch the wall here on this location, and move the wall on this location, and stretch the wall up to the column. Now I have to place the door here, CS, and place the door here. You can see it is little bit small, I need. So here just place the door here, and flip the door on the other side, and now it's okay. So I have to find the other door. Everything looks okay, so the door is here, CS, and place the door here, and you can flip it, and you can see the door length is different, so DL, and let me check, so it is 640, so almost same. So make this door only here, so move the door little bit here on this side. Now I have to find the other door, and there is no remaining door, so I have to take the other window here. You can see, I believe these are glass window. In that case, so here I have to place here, go to the architecture and window. So in that case, how many type of windows? So I have to load the family here, load family, and here take them all inside our Revit. So just load them, and okay, it will take time. Now I have saved the file, and just take any window, and here any window, glass window I'm looking for. Now let me check if there any glass window. If not available, so I have to find another option. Now I have to place the windows, so let me check here. I have to place the window in this location, so let me check first here. Go to the tower, so for that close the unnecessary views, and here this is the reference for the family. I don't need it, so no, I don't need. And this one for the same door, yeah, so don't need it, so nope. And this is the second floor, and let me check the any glass window or something I am looking for. So I believe just here window, and let me check, is that a glass window? Or let me check here, go to this floor on the ground floor, and here go to this window, and let me check here. I believe same family I have here in this project, and let me check, there is no glass. So M instance window fixed, it can be a glass, and this one I can take. So just place this one here. You can see it looks, let me check here. So for that go to 3D and let me find out. So this one is not, I need this 3D. So take the copy, and here you can see this is made by wood and the glass you can see, but problem is I need a proper glass window. For that, where I can find it? So if anything not working, that time go to the Google, and here let me find it. I am looking for this object in the beam object. So this looks like okay, so download it. So it is downloading here, so just wait and watch. Now this file has been downloaded. Go to this folder, and here just right click, and here you can go to the show more option, and here extract file, and okay, and let me check how it looks. Yeah, this looks like this, and let me find out is it a parametric, and let me load this family into the Revit, and let me check, it is updating the version and it will take time. Now the family has been updated here, so just place the family on this location and delete this old one, and let me check on the 3D and just little bit move it, and you can see the wall is here and the door and window you can call it. So let me find out the measurement for this one, and DI from here it is 1525. So let me check this one, and here can I make this parameter change? So 1525, and width I can take 1525, and okay, let me check and align, or you can move the family on this location. Okay, so let me check in the 3D now. You can check, it looks, I believe, okay, and keep the same thing. Okay, I believe now it looks better. Now go to the ground floor and let me check these things here. So there is one and here is one, so just copy this thing here, and I can take one copy here beside it, and let me check every time in the 3D. It looks okay, I believe, and there will be some road level, and check in the ground floor. Now will be here. So the next is here. So everywhere I have to take this glass window, and for that I have to take the size different. So here you can copy it, and the extension portion is disturbing. In that case you can flip it, I believe it will work, and take it inside and check the 3D again, and if it is working, okay, good. But if we don't need it, I can delete it, no issue. Then keep the same. And okay, this extension portion I don't need. Edit family, and let me check in the family, and here floor plan and the extension portion. Which one is the extension portion? Go to the 3D, and this one is the extension portion. Is it record? If I delete it from here, so just take the fine, and here wireframe or set mode or realistic you can take, and here I have to take the set mode. Go to the plan, and if you don't need this one, so you can delete it, or you can another extrusion. Here create an extrusion, and here you can take this parameter. Okay, so just align them as you want, so it will be now locked. So finish it and go to the left or front view I need. So there is no front view, only go for the exterior or something, and let me check this element. So this element I need it up to this edge, and here lock it, it will be the good. And go to 3D again, and here right click select previous. Now you can see this is the new element which I have modeled here. So if you need it no transparent, in that case you have to change the material. So for that you can see it is transparent or something. So I believe it is transparent. In that case I have to make different. So here go for the material, and here you can take any one. So you can take default. Let me find it. Any available material, stainless steel. Okay, just take it, and you can see now it is updated. And now let me load the family. So load it into the project and home architecture. Okay, and here override. Now this extension portion will be vanished. Now we can see the element looks like okay. I believe everything looks good. Or if I need to copy the element, so copy or CS and place the family here on this location, and let me take the measurement. So from here to this line, this is 602. So just select it, and here type, and here let me take duplicate, and I need it 600 mm, and okay, and I will have this size, and it should be the size here 600, and let me take the size, and okay, and it will be 600. So I believe okay, everything looks good. Now align the family with this line, and it is good. So if you want to check in the 3D, you can check. It will be here on this edge, but problem is there is some wall, you cannot see it. So for that I have to make two different plots. So here just duplicate again, and here VB and section box I need. So section box it is available, so I have to take this section box from here, and here go to the front, and I need it the ground floor only. So you can take the section box line up to this, or you can fix this section box into the section, but no problem, I can take it up to this. And okay, and let me check in the plan. The window looks like okay, everything looks good. And if this is toilet, let me find the floor plan, and here if it is toilet, in that case it should be more higher. Okay, so for it I have to check on the section, and let me check, and it should be more higher than 6 feet or 7 feet. So it is like this, so I have to change the height also. But now you can see the height is 1219. So select this one and edit type here. So 1219, this is the height, and here the height is here, and I need it 500, and apply it. You can see it will reduce automatically, and if I need to reduce more, you can take minimum 400. And let me check the size. Okay, so just you can move the family up to this, and here you can move it. Now let me measure it. So from here it is this much, and I need to move up on this side, so 2 3, and this much height I can take for light purpose, or okay, no problem. And here go to the plan, and here you can see it is not visible here. So for that I have to change the view range, and here will be the view range, and I have to take the view range 3 meter, and here I should take 2300, and okay, and the everything is visible. But problem is that you can see the door cut is not visible properly. In that case you have to take the view range a little bit down. So for that, view range again, and here 2 meter you can apply it, and now it is okay. So everything looks good. Now I have to check the other windows. So here unlock, and let me check. So just HH, and you can see everything okay. And this wall, how it looks, you can not see the cut here because this is too much high. And okay, leave this issue. And if here you can check, here there is no wall inside the window because it is properly cut, or the cut portion is accurately set as per the view range. So but no problem, leave this issue. And CS, and I need the another window, so for that HR again, and there will be another window here, CS, and here you can place it, or okay, keep the windows here. And here I need to measure these things, so lock and attach option need to be locked again. And here this window I need to measure it, so DI again, and you can take, this is 914. Now go for the other window, and this is different size, so here this is 914 mm. So for that, so select this one, and here edit type and duplicate, it should be 950. okay, and if it is 950, in that case I have to take 950, and okay. And now you can move the window this side and align the window up to this wall. And now you can go for the other window. So here this is ground floor. In that case you can see there are lots of windows, and here in that case window should be more lengthy in the height. So I believe this is how much. So here edit type, and the height should be 1168.4. so and copy the height, and here this one I need the same height. So here just edit type, and here the height should be this much, Ctrl V, and okay. Now I have to copy paste the elevation for the same, and here the elevation is 914.4, and select this one, and it is 914.4. okay, let me check here. So go to this view, and here this is on the top, and this is this height. I don't know is it acceptable or not, but no problem, keep the same. And go for 3D, you can see this 3D for ground floor, okay, and check this 3D, and now you can see the window like this. And for the other window you can see, so copy it, and here I can take, so here align it up to this line, and it is almost same. So keep the window here in this location, and here there should be no window. Now we have to check the other window for no issue. So for that we have to check the size first, and then it is 219, and it is how much, it is 15 something, yeah, 1219. I have to take, select this one, CS, and take the element here, select this one, edit type, and here duplicate, and it should be 1219 means 20, you can consider, and okay. Now I have to take the width 1220, and height should be the same, and you can take it 1200, but leave it for now. And just keep the window here, just align it, and here CS again, and place the window in this location, and you can align the window up to the edge of this wall, but you cannot go more. So you can align it, no issue. So align it up to this, and in that case go to the 3D and the ground floor. Now you can see the windows are looking like this. Okay, so that's perfect. Now go to the ground floor again, and we are looking for another window. So there is no, there should have some window. So for that we have to check here the window, there will be one. So DI check again, so the length 877, so everything is different, so no problem, just copy it, and I can take one window in this location. So here again, now go for the another window. So CS again, place the window on this location, and let me measure it. So here DI, from here it is almost 500. So select this window, edit type, and let me take it, duplicate, and let me take it 500, and remove the 2, and okay. And the height or width should be 500. So here the width, it should be 500, okay. And I can align it up to the column. You can see it is not matching with the cat size, and di again. Let me check, almost 100 I have to reduce. So select this one, 8 type, rename, first take the 400 and okay, and I have to change the width here. I have to take the 400 width and I have to check the size. It is not reducing this much because you know this is the minimum width for this family. So okay, leave it, and I believe it will work. And here this is the another window CS, and here place this window here, and I can take the window size. I believe it is different, and here it is, let me check here. So here this location, so from here to this wall I have to take, so di again, from here up to this, so 877. I can take 875, so here duplicate, and 875 I can take, remove 2, okay, and here I can take 875 and okay, and now I can align it up to this structure. Now leave it, and here after that let me check where the next window. So here will be the next window, but it will be different size, and the size will be here as per this CS. And here I have to place the window, and I can place it like this, so you can align it up to the wall, and the elevation should be different. So for that check the 3D here, so ground floor, and here this is the wall and this is the window, but problem is that it is toilet. In that case I have to check the height of this bottom, and here select this one and Ctrl V, and it will be on this elevation. So I believe it is good. So here go to the ground floor, and again let me check another window. So the next window will be here in this toilet. In that case, so CS and place the window here. Now I have to check the elevation. It should be through 300, and let me check on the 3D on the ground floor. So here in this ground floor you can see it is this much height. Okay, leave this one, and ground floor again, and let me check another window. I believe there is no another window, and here everything looks good, but I have to take the other furniture like the sofa and bed, everything I have to model. So in that case let me check. So the bed is this much, and now save the model. Now I have to go for the bed. Okay, so for it close the unnecessary views, and this one is for what, and let me check, this is not required, and I have to close this one, and here no, and the other family let me check, this one also I don't need it, so here close this one, and nope. Now go for the tower. Okay, this is a tower architecture, and in this family you can see the bed, and I need to use this bed and this carpet and this other furniture. So just copy this one again, here Ctrl V, and I need to paste it here. Okay, so here I need and Ctrl V here, and you can see this bed is different size, so I have to make this bed. Okay, so for that I have to edit the family, but before it I have to open the CAD. Now check the bed here, bed family. So just select this one and W enter. So this family will be exported, and here I need to save it as a bed and save the family. Here inch will be the unit, and okay. Now go for the Revit, and here you can see this family. So just only edit family. You can see this is the bed, and go for the plan, and here I need to load the family. So here insert, and here import CAD. Now the bed, and current view only, and auto detect origin to origin open. Now there is bed, but problem is that original family it is gone. So for that I have to check the two family. You can see it is selected here somewhere. So just what I can, so just I need to move this family here in this location. So just double click and zoom it, and you can see one family, it is a CAD, and I'm looking for the family, actual family, it is here. So move the family on this location. Now here you can see the family is here, and I need to move it here, and you can see the family is here. So actual size I need, so in that case what I can, so here for that go to Revit, and here go to the project, and here I need it, and here you can measure it. So di it is 1524, and this dimension no need, only one dimension is enough. So 1525, this much length. And here let me check the other. So go to the family again, and here just take the line li 1524, enter, and the line will be up to this. So it means I can scale it. Select it here and select this line and then this line. You can see the actual size for this bed, and delete the line, and you can move it here on this location. Now you can rotate it so 90 degree, and you can move your family on this location. So I can take this and remove the constant, and here I can place the family. So as per this family I have to set all the thing. And for this, so you can see this is another element, and here I have to change everything. So you can see everything I have to update, and this is the furniture. Okay, so many things I have to edit. Now let me find if anything available. So here width parameter is available, so I know already the width is 1524. So here I can edit it to 1524 and apply. So okay, you can check, I can edit it, and it is awesome. So no need to edit anything, so that's fine. And the furniture I have to edit only, and the bed also I need to edit. So you can take the line up to this, and this line up to this, or you can delete the lines and you can draw a line, because these are the line and this is furniture. Go to the 3D again, let me check, select previous, this is the bed and it is on the sweep, and here it is sweep. I need to edit the sketch path, and you can see it should be up to this and up to this, and finish it. Now finish it, let me check, it is up to this, and go to the 3D again, and you can see this much, and go to the plan again, and I have to edit again and edit sweep, and you can see the sketch path is okay. The problem is now the select profile, or I have to check the profile. So select this one, you can see the sketch path and the select profile, and here is profile, and you have to go to the left. Now you can check, this is up to this, and you can stretch it, or let me check what will be the distance. So here finish it, and let me check on the plan. Okay, so let me check again, and it should be DL or LI, and from here up to this 271. So 271 I can, so edit sweep again and select profile and edit profile, and left 271 I can take. So DI from this edge to up to this, so here 271, 275 you can take, and here delete the dimension and finish it, and again finish it, and here also edit sweep, and here select profile, edit profile, and now here I have to take it 271. So move it only, and here just move it, and you can take it up to this. So finish this one and finish this one, and let me check on the plan. You can say this much I have to move. So move the element, and is it locked with this parameter, and let me check, it is locked. So in that case you have to unlock it first, then move the reference plane here on this line, and let me check, it is now updated. So just lock it again. Now the bed is ready, so only edit this additional furniture. So go to the 3D again, you can check, this is the beside furniture, and okay, go to the plan again, and if I need this furniture, so there is no exact size for this, so how I can take? So just you can stretch it like this. This is the only solution, and here you can stretch the element like this, and there will be gap, and no problem, I can take it. So here you can stretch every element as per this line, and I can stretch them, oh, this is parametric. So again you can stretch the line, and again stretch the line, and again stretch the line, and again more line I have to stretch. So just stretch this one, and here stretch it up to this, or you can stretch it here and keep the same thing here and check in the 3D and it looks like this. So this one I have to edit. So here go for this plan and here just stretch this one and stretch this one, and you can see it looks like this. But check the other element. So this element for what, I don't know. So I have to edit this element again, front view, and here edit sweep and here sketch path. You can take this line up to this and finish it and here this glass and here this is glass, I don't know, but take this element up to this, no issue, and finish it. And here you can see it is like this, and here you can stretch the element like this, or you can delete it, no problem, because this is the extra element, we don't need it, but for better look you can take it, no problem. And here for take this one up to this, now take this one, and for this go to the front and here edit sweep, and here you can see sketch path, and take the line up to this and finish this one and finish this one, and you can see it looks like this. So this element I don't need it because I can mirror it, because I don't need extra headache. So here for this go to the plan and here edit extrusion and open view, and here you can see I can delete these lines, and here finish this one and check the plan again, and you can see this is the CAD drawing, and here I need to stretch the element up to this, every element as per this. So just stretch or align, you can do whatever you want, and go to the 3D again. You can see this furniture looks like this. So here select them and go to the plan again and mirror it, or before mirror, so just group them and just OK, and here mirror them, and here you can take the copy, so mirror it. Now you can see in the 3D it looks like this, and I believe it is good, or you can make a floor, but I don't need, or I can take this one, no problem. In the same family go to the 3D again, I need the floor. In that case what kind of material I can take, so just here create extrusion, and here the extrusion from here, and this will be the carpet like things, and here finish this one and go to the front or left, and here you can see this element I need to stretch it up to this, and it will be very thin, and I can take it up to this. And here what I can material I can take, here go for the material, and from here I can take, let me check this one, okay, and how it looks like this, but take it, no problem. And now the family is ready, so just don't need to save the family, only load into the project and load it home architecture project. So override and the family will be updated. Now you can use this family. So here delete it, the dimension, and rotate 180 degree, you can rotate and move the family on this location. So here you can take it, and now you can delete the CAD background, or you can keep it, no issue, and it is up to you. Now you can see the difference here, so I have to take this one also. So here let me take the measurement from here. So again let me check, this is 2115, so select this family, edit type, and 2115 I can take, okay. And now you can check it is still same, again edit family. Now check the 2130 and here 2115, and let me check again, and maybe I do some mistakes. So here again measure these things from here 2115, so I am right. So where is the mistake, again 2115 I have to take. So for that you can check the distance from here, this is 2130, you can see, but problem is that the dimension should be from the top, but no issue, I can take this one. And if it is like this, so you can see the CAD is here and DI from it, and it is 50.34, I have to reduce 50.34. so here for this, and here 50.34 equal to minus 50.34 and okay, you can check it will be now reduced. Now load the family into the project and okay, and here override and you can see it is matching. Now what I'll do, and you can keep the cat background or you can delete it, so this will be up to you. And here the bed, okay, this is little bit different but no issue, you can keep it. And you can check on the 3D, so 3D will be here on the ground floor, and here you can see the bed how it looks. And I will set the material for the architecture very soon, but for now keep the bed like this and go to the ground floor and here go for the next bed and here copy from here, and you can take this snap point here and it is here. And now I have to take the another bed and you can take the bed on this location, so I need the midpoint here and again copy and take the multiple best is this one, and here anything here I need another bed and rotate it 180 degree. Now you can move it, so here just take the midpoint and take the midpoint here, so just tab it and tab it, and if you are not finding then just place it here and you can little bit adjust on this location. Now the question, the bed is ready. The problem is that the background, cat background you can delete, so here edit family, and to show this detail line in this family there is one solution, just here go for it and here create, and annotation you can choose, so here symbolic line, so you can take the symbolic line, pick the line and you can pick the line like this, so no need. And this line also I need, so this line also you can take and just leave the line, and here this bed symbol you can pick them like this. So best option is to draw the line here, so you can pick the line like this and take the line, okay, so just like this, no need accuracy, only like this. You can take the line and take the line, just it will be a casual line, so take this point and here this point, this point, this point, and take these lines and take the line, so like this you can take the line. This is up to you, this is a pillow element but no need more detail, so only this line you can take to present the family more practical. Okay, so take the line here and this line also I need, and here up to this, just to the frequent line up to this, and here just select them and only this line I need to select, and here go to the filter and here take this line, okay, so copy it and take this element here, and you can make them also group, but do the group because in future if you need to delete you can delete it easily. Okay, so copy the element on this location and you can move the lines like this, and now your family is ready, so just you can delete the family and now stretch the element here, and the family I can select like this. If you are not selecting like this, so just select all and filter and here import in family and here okay, and now you can see the import family. Oh no, sorry, so again select all the elements, so go to the filter again and no cat is visible, no problem. So for that, so just HH and you can see this is the cat, just delete it and HR again. Now everything is visible and there is no cat, only you have to load the family into the project. So home, architecture and nope, and here I need to override, and now you can see this family is looks like this. So okay, I believe it is good. So here the distance I have to check, so this is 50.3 will be less, so equal to minus 50.34 and okay, now it is as actual as the cat. Okay, no problem, and leave this thing and just close the attach and pin option, and now will be the chair and sofa and everything I have to do, so it will take time no issue, I can take. So go to the tower and here let me find if any chair table available. Yeah, this is the chair table. I can edit as a 3D element. So copy the element from here and go to the architecture ground floor and Ctrl V. Now let me check what will be the size here, and now you can see this family is this much big. Now if you want to show this pillow and everything, you have to edit the family. Let me check if any size or the parameter available. So here available, so di, and let me dimension it to 2038, and here 2038 will be the size equal to edit 2038. So just make it 1 meter, apply it. So is there any change? Okay, there is no change. In that case, I believe the family I have to update as per the CAD. So edit family again. Now go for this CAD again. You can see the sofa. So just you can select one element like this. You can see this is the another element, and okay, for now what I can W enter, Ctrl Z, and you can explode. You can see the elements now broken, and now you can select these lines and W enter. Now you can export it as a inch or feet. I can take, so just take the millimeter for now because the families are in millimeter. So take this one, and here on this location I need to save is as a sofa, and now the CAD will be on this name, and save the CAD and okay. Now go for the Revit, and now you can see here this is the Revit family, and here go to the plan, and I need to load the family here. So there is no parameter, only this was the dummy parameter in the project, so that's why insert and import CAD. And now load the sofa and current view only and auto rotate and open. Now you can see this element. So why the CAD? So this is the CAD element. Now just unpin and touch, and just unpin and move the element here on this location, and here on this location I need to move it. And let me check in the project what is the size. So di again, and here 2038. So 2038 is the length, and here li, or rotate it and 90 degree 2038. So li, and from here 2038 and enter. The line will be up to this. So select the element again, scale it, and here just select the point here. Just take this point and keep the point here. Now you can see furniture CAD is now scaled. Just you can move the CAD here on this location. Now again move it. You can take the midpoint, or this is a midpoint, and keep it here on this location. Now you can edit your family as per this thing. So here for this you can see the external element, just make it like this, no need proper size. So here the line you can take up to this, and there the size I can take it up to this. So here you can take it up to this. Now this element I need to edit, it should be up to this. So you can align also, so align it, and here this element I need to align it up to this. Okay, so here the element, this element I need to stretch it up to this, and here align it, and here take the wireframe and take the wireframe, and here you can take the element. Why I cannot edit? Oh, this is edit family, why? So just close this one. I believe there will be one extension line, so if not, so I can rotate or I can delete, and here I can take it, and you can stretch the element up to this. Now the elements here, so here this element I need to stretch it up to this, and here up to this I can take. Now this family I can stretch it up to the edge, and this edge I have to update the element, and here just align it, and if it is not aligned, so just unpin and align it. no issue. And here this family should be up to this, and here it will be up to this, and here up to this there will be another story. So here for this, so just align it and just align it, just align it. So you cannot align, so for this, so just move the element here, then align on this surface, so align it again. Now just same thing, so just you can delete or you can delete. Let me check in the 3D why this double element is coming here. You can see this is the element I need to edit. So here for this, go to the plan and delete it also, and here just select this element and mirror it. Take the copy and mirror from this axis line, and here move the element and take the element here, and after that the line no need, and here this element I need, or let me check in the 3D, and this element I need, and here is it okay to use or I can delete. So delete it, no issue. And let me check on this ground floor 3D how was the family. So here go to the plan again, this family I need to check. Go to the 3D again, and here this family I have placed here. Now you can see the family, it looks like this, but problem is the wall, why it is moving here. So go to the ground floor and let me check the wall again. So this wall is up to this, stretch it up to this, and here this wall should be up to the column, and here the small element I need also in this location. So here copy from here, and here I need to move it on this location. So move it on this location, align the element up to this. You can check in the 3D again. Now in this 3D you can find the proper view. So the family I need to update, only I'm looking for the element, support element, so no need to check here because there is no element. And here in this 3D, and here you can see the family is almost ready. Let me check the family. So the next thing is the chart table you have to take, and I can change the family here also, and here just little bit move, and you can move it like this. Okay, align it up to this, and here in this location also I will take. Now check again this line for what, this is the CAD line, and okay, so this line for what, okay, this line I have to extend it up to this, and here up to this. Now it is okay. So here you can see this line is up to this, so take the line and take the line. Okay, so now it looks okay. Now let me check this one, and I need another family. So here check this one and copy, or before copy go to the 3D again, and let me check how it looks. So here for this, so select this 3D and this one and this one I can take. So go to the plan, and here copy the element from this location, rotate it and 90 degree, and you cannot rotate, so no issue. So here for this I can take the element like this. So here up to this edge and up to this edge you can take the element, and here up to this. Now stretch the line and stretch the line up to this, and here this is for what, let me check in the 3D. So I can check this one for what, we need this one or it is okay, so delete it, no issue. So take this one only. So go to the plan, and here this will be the chair element. So here you can take the alignment like this, and okay, I cannot do this, and here you can move the element approx like this, and here you can stretch the line up to this, and now we can mirror it. So here mirror, and I can take the mirror like this, take the copy, and I need another element on this location. So for this, so copy this element, and here just move this element here on this location. Now I can stretch the line up to this, and this line I can take up to this, and this line I can take up to this. So the 3D I can check, it looks like this, but problem is that the bed. So I can take it also, Let me check in the tower if I have taken any bed symbol like this. This is the media table, so I can take this family also. And if I am using any pillow, so I have used a pillow for the another location, but no issue. Just edit family and load this family. And is it parametric? I don't know, so just load it into the another family. So here on this 3-seat sofa I need to load this family. Okay, and nope, I don't need to save this family, and take the family on this location I believe. And here how it looks, so go to the 3D and you can check. This will be like this. You can take this family also. So for this, so just di again. Let me check the dimension here. So 812 and here 516. So select this one, edit type, and here I believe this is not parametric, so it is a problem. So just close this one. And if I have any parameter, no, so this is not parametric family, so just delete it, and I don't need it. I need a generic model in this place. Now for this family I have to check the another thing, so just close the unnecessary view, and in the ground floor and go to the plan. This bed I need to edit family, and from it what I can take. So this family, the problem is this is okay, and there I need this carpet, so Ctrl C, and I need it into this family, Ctrl V, and here I can align it up to this, and here up to this, and here up to this, and here up to this. Now you can check in the 3D. It looks like this. It looks like it is not on the ground floor. So check the elevation, and I am looking for the elevation. Now you can check the furnitures are here, so I can move them, or you can move your carpet on this location, and here move it. And if I move it, it will be wrong. And let me try to move this furniture on this location, move it and move them here, and it is moving, no issue. So for now the carpet looks like this, and check on the 3D. You can check the sofa and the carpet. And now we have to check this furniture. So this I can take as a box, and here for this you can copy this element, because this detail is not clear, and when we will receive the latest or new detail for this furniture, then I will update. But for now you can go to the prompt, and here I can stretch the element up to this. Now here I can copy the element here on this location and align it with this line, and align it and align it. Now you can delete your cat from this drawing. Now the pillow, for this pillow you can check the symbolic line. So here annotation, you can take the symbolic line and take the line from it. Okay, and here you can take the line like this and take the arc, and here for this arc take the line again. Now take the line here, another line is here, then take the arc, and here you can take the arc and the line. I can take it anywhere as per my requirement, and the line I can take it here on this side. Okay, so this line I am not sure, so it is not done yet. So for now just symbolic line, and take this line and take this line like this, and take this line like this, and this line I can take it like this. Okay, and here you can take the arc also instead of the line, and take another arc. So here you can take this arc, another arc you can take it as per this, another arc you can take it as per this, and another arc you can take it as per this. So now I believe it is clear. So now for this one you can take the arc, and here for this take the arc, and here for this take the arc, and here for this take the arc, and tap and take the arc. Now here for this take the arc, and here for this take the arc. Now it is over. So the pillow symbol you can take it and copy it, and you can take the one pillow symbol here. For this rotate it 90 degree, and you can take it or you can mirror it. So just don't need copy. So take this axis line, and you can mirror, or you can mirror like this also, so don't need copy. And here you can copy the pillow symbol here, and you can scale it, no issue. If you want to scale it, in that case take the scale, and here on this edge you can take it up to this. Now you can check, you can do the scale the line as per your requirement. And now I believe everything is clear. So now you can delete the CAD. Now you can load the family into the project. So just load into the project and home architecture, okay, and override. And here you can see this furniture has been updated. So just rotate it as per the alignment 90 degree, and you can move your element on this line, and you can manually move your element on this location. So you can see how I can edit it. So now move little bit, and here little bit. So now you can see this furniture is now done. You can check in the 3D in the ground floor, you can see this furniture. So this material you can take different, but for now there is a problem, because you know this is transparent, and if I take this transparent, or if you want to take this as a different material, or I believe it should be a table, but table family I have to check in the tower building. And here this is not parametric, and this is, I believe it is parametric, and here edit type, and here also it is not parametric. So to make it parametric I have to do many things, like okay, so for that you can see, you can edit family again. What I can again load into the project. So here in this family I need to load, and here before load it, so Ctrl Z again, I need the CAD, and the CAD is visible now. And again this family I need, and here for this you can see this furniture and edit family and load into the project again. And what I need, so in this family I need this family, and here you can place your family. Okay, so now what I need the size. Here this is the 812, and it will be 812 by 560. For this, go to the floor plan, and it should be the 850 by 560. So let me check the dimension here. So this is this, and here, so I have to take 812, I have to take it like this. 812 I can take, and now I can take it up to this, and as per this, and here it should be 560. So here Li again, and from here 560, and let me take the element up to this, and this element up to this I can take, so up to this. And if you need proper, so then Li you can take 25 each side, so align and align it, and again Li on this side also 25, and align it, and tab and delete, and this side also Li and 25, and align it. Okay, so align the line up to this, and here also Li 25, and here up to this I need the alignment. So here this element I don't need, so here select the element, and here edit extrusion I don't need nothing, only this and only this element I need. So delete this one, and here move the element on this corner, and let me mirror it. So mirror, and let me take this and mirror again and mirror it. So take this axis line and finish this one. Now delete this line and go to the 3D. Let me check how it looks. So here load it into the project. I need this family, and you can see now I can move it on this corner. So here you can see it is matching, and now this family I need to take. Now go for this family. So for that what we can, so here this family I cannot use because this is not parametric. If you want to make it parametric, in that case you have to do many things, like here. Okay, I don't have time to make it parametric, only I can use this family for this element. So delete it, or before delete, and already I have the cat. So here edit family again, and before go to this family di again, I have to check the size. Here the size will be, you can see 460 by 460 approx. So here edit family, and here I have to change the family again, and here li, and take the 460, and here align the edge up to this, and li again, and 25, and here align the edge up to this line, and here just delete the line, and li again 460 will be the length, and here align the element up to this, and delete the line, and take the line 25, and align the element up to this line and up to this, and this is okay. And here edit extrusion, and here move this in the corner, and move this in the corner, and here also move it into this corner, and then finish it, and then save the family with a different name, save as, and here the family, I need to save the family, I can take 2 and save. Now load the family into the family, and here in this same family I need this family, and here I need the family. So here only I need to move it on this location, and it is now okay. So delete the background like cat from this family, and load the family into the project again. So in this home architecture project I need this family, and override, and you can see it looks okay. Now I believe it is okay. Now I'll go for the another furniture. So go to the ground floor, and here another furniture will be here. In this case I have to make a different family. So here you can check the hidden line setup. In this way you can present your drawing. So in this setup is good, or you can take the wireframe, because for working purpose you have to take always wireframe. So now I have to create this family. So here for this, so save the project every time, and now so here for this CAD, and here just you have to explode, and you have to select all the CAD lines from this. Now the lines are selected. Now go for the W block, and here you have to take the sofa one, and save the CAD, and take the millimeter as a unit, and okay, and now okay. So go for the Revit. Now you can see you have already a family here. Now for this, so close the unnecessary views, and here this one is for the furniture, so just close this one, I don't need this one. And here for this also I don't need this family, because already I have adjusted everything inside our project. So this family I need, and in that case what I will do, so already I took the W block, and for that insert again and imported CAD, and here sofa one, current view only, and open, and you can see the CAD is here. Just take the element from here, so just unpin and move the element here. But before it you have to check the size again, and go to the ground floor, and now we can see here DI again, and from here to this line 2038 will be the length, and here LI, so 2038, and the line will be up to this. And you can scale your CAD, and select this and scale the CAD, select this point and this point, then take this point, and your CAD will be increased. And now you have to move your CAD on this location, and here I need another family. In this case what I can, so here I need this thing, or you have to delete these things, I don't need it. And here in this place I need the same family. So for this you can see this element I have selected, or you can select them inside the 3D. So here select them like this, and go to the plan, and here copy them. So copy them from here, and you can rotate them. Let me check, I cannot rotate, so okay, no issue. if I am not able to save the family, then I am not able to rotate the elements. In that case, what I can, no problem, so just delete it, and here delete all the elements, and before delete, save as a family with a different name, and save as. You can take a sofa to save, and here you can check it is like this. And now I need a different copy for this family, so here, so copy sofa 2 and open the family here. So open it again, this family. What I'll do, just remove everything and remove this one and this one, and here remove this one and this one. Now you can see only these elements are visible. Delete it, and no need the reference plane, only delete them. Okay, so just delete them, and now everything is deleted. So now what I'll do, just save the family and just load into the project. So just close and load into the project, and here okay, you can load it and you can place it here. And now move the element on this corner, so here any one point you can take, so just move it little bit here on this edge. Now you can move the element like this, so here you can move it. Now everything good, so copy the element, and one element I need the copy 90 degree, and move it here on this location, and you can move it like this, and you can see the same furniture and the carpet I have to take it. So for that you have to open this family, so close the unnecessary view, and this family is required. So in that case, here I need, okay, I don't need it because you know already I have saved the different family name here. So this family sofa 2 is now over, and sofa 2 is now available here. So just take the family again, and now you can see the cat is loaded already. So just what I'll do, the location for this furniture is same or delete it. You can see here also it is same, only the carpet will be changed only. So here just align it up to this, and here it is same, no need change, and it is okay. So delete it, only I have to delete them, and here delete them, and here delete it, delete it, and delete it. So you can see the family is now ready. So what I'll do, just save the family and load into the project here, and home architecture, okay, and I need it here on this location. So you can place it here, and you can move your element on this corner. In this corner I want to move it, and you can check now in the 3D the ground floor. So this is the ground floor. You can see the element, how it looks, carpet and everything. So if you want, you can change the material in the Revit, but no issue. So go to the ground floor, and here what is the remaining, delete the dimension, and here the remaining is the plumbing fixture. So WC and wash basin I need to place here. So for it, close the unnecessary view, and this family for what I need me check and close this one, and here let me save this project. And now what I'll do, go to the level 2, and here I have this furniture or plumbing fixture, this WC, and this WC is okay for this location. And let me find the WC symbol, and it looks like this family will be different, and here there in the back side there will be some tank. In that case I have to load different plumbing fixture. So for that plumbing fixture I need, so system, and here for this I need a plumbing fixture, and you can see there is no, and I have to load the family. That one I believe I need, and let me check the others. This one I don't need, and this one you can take, but this one and this one I need it. Okay, so bidet I don't need in this project. So open and let them load, and here this family you can rotate it, and you can place the family on this location. It looks like same, but leave it for now, but check the section if it is aligned with the finished floor, and check the section it is aligned, no issue. So I need the family for the different cases. So here also I need this family. Now you can see the location is okay. So copy for the another toilet, and there is no another toilet, so only 2 toilets are available. And okay, leave this thing. And here the wash machine, I need the wash machine here. So for that, let me check in the tower first, and here let me check the wash machine how it looks. There is no such wash machine. So for that I have to go to this project, and here I need to load the family. So for this, go to the plumbing fixture and load family, and here you can take all of them, no issue, and open. Now they are loaded, so just escape, and here plumbing fixture. So take the plumbing fixture, you can take any one. So this thing I need it from here, so just take this one, and you can see just place on face, and you can see it looks like this, and rotate. You can rotate it like this and place the plumbing fixture, and here. So I need to edit the size. So for that, let me check if the parameter is available. Yeah, there is a parameter. So the sink length and width available. So let me check the dimension from here, and from here, from this line, this is 660. So for that, and let me check this dimension also. Oh, it is not 60, this is 529, means 530. Edit type, and here the width I can take 530, and the length 660, and apply. Let me check, it is changing. So 530 it is working, so 530 is working now, it is good. So here move the element and align with the wall. So this is good, and now this dimension it is not changing. So I have to check, this is 660, and let me edit the family again. Let me find the parameter here, floor plan, and here let me check, this is not available. So I have to edit it manually. So in that case I have to take 660. So what I can, so only I can take the line up to this, or you cannot. So in that case I believe it is locked, so you cannot move it without lock. So in that case, now you can move the reference plane, and here I need 660. So just align it, and you can see it is 497. So I need more, and here 660 I need. So this one I need 660, and it is almost 660. Now what I can, so just stretch the line up to this, and this parameter is working, no problem. So no need to edit or something. And now just lock it. Now lock it, no problem. This one also I need to lock. So the problem is that this one I need to make it big. So for that, let me change the width again. So width will be 530. So here let me make it 530. I can take, apply it. You can see it will be like this. So in that case, if I make it more bigger, it may be a problem, but no problem. So here don't change anything. So just load the family into the project. So alright, and you can see it looks like this, but the family it is a little bit different. In that case you have to change the family. So I have another option for this. So in that case, edit family again, go to the CAD, and here this family I need to take. So select this one and explode. Now you can select the lines and W block. Now here in the location, just take the sink and save the CAD here, and take the millimeter, and okay. So now go for this Revit, and here in this Revit family, insert CAD, and here I need the sink, and current view only, open. Now you can see why the CAD, so the CAD is not visible. In that case, select like this, and before it just take this option, and here just select, and here you can see this family is here. And now check in the ground floor plan, and let me take the dimension. It should be 661. So 660 will be the size, no problem. In that case, again go to this family, and here this family I need to edit. So in that case, so LI again, so here it will be 660, and take the line up to this, select this CAD and scale it, and select this point and this point, then this point. Now the cat is big. Now you can rotate your family 90 or 180. So 180 will be the rotation, and move it and take this point, take this midpoint in here. Now you have to edit this element. So for that you have to do one thing. So edit sweep. Now you can see sketch path. Now I don't need this angle or radius. So here for that, so just take the alignment. So here for that I don't need this element, so delete them, and here align it with this line, and here align it up to this, and here align it with this line, and then draw this line up to this, and take the another line here, then trim the line here. You can finish it, then so finish it again. Now you can see it is not rotating automatically. So in that case, cancel again, take this profile. So here edit profile, and here go to any view. So back view is good, no problem. So here this is the profile, you can check. So in that case what you can, so you can edit this line and here make it straight, no need this curve, and here this small line trim it and trim this corner and finish it. Now let me check if it is working. No, it is still not working. And what is the problem? So problem is the curve, and here cancel it and check the sketch path, and here open view, and this is the problem only. In that case what we can, so the profile is this one, and if you don't need it, so in that case I have to take the curve again, small curve I can take. So this one I can take. Okay, so let me take it. If it is working, so this will be good, and finish it again, and let me check it is not working. So what is the problem? Just cancel it, and here you can take the profile. So here you can see it is like this. It is very simple, it should be working. And here finish this one, it is not on. Okay, so here remove constant, and here go to the plan again, it is working now. So again Ctrl Z. Now let me check why the problem. So problem is not this one, so just remove the curve, and this much I can take, and here finish this only, and remove the constant, means there was the parameter, so I need to remove it, so no need. So here edit extrusion again, and here you can see the extrusion, I can take it up to this, and you can delete it, no issue, and delete the lines, and here up to this line I can take the line, and after that the line should be up to this, and here the arc I can take it up to this again. Let me take it, okay, up to this. So again let me check the extrusion how it looks. So there should be a close loop. Okay, so again mirror the element, so take this axis, and let me check the tab, just trim it and tab it. Now it is okay, but the border line it is okay, and here what I need the looks, so no problem. So just take a different line on this line, and I can take this line, and I can take this line. Okay, so let me take, if it is working then good. So take this point and here finish it, and it is smaller than the 1 meter, so it is smaller than 1 mm. So for that, so just move the element little bit here, just it should be more than 1, and here select them, and it should be here more than 1, and no issue, I can take it up to this, and here also I can take it up to this, and finish it. Let me check it is working. So now take the 3D, you can see it looks like this, and set mode, and okay, the void I need here, but it is not visible. In that case what should I do? So in that case go to the plan, and here this is the what, so check in the 3D, select previous, and this is the base I believe, and check the elevation and back or any view. Yeah, this is the bottom part, so I have to keep it, no problem, but problem is only to change their shape. So the change is here, so just take only one line, and trim corner, it will be only change and finish it. So it is okay. Now I have to do one thing only. So the thing will be here, I need to cut. So the cut will be here. Check in the 3D, you can see this cut I need. So you can see the element. So for that you can check here, create and void and extrusion, and take the peak line, and here I need it here on this edge, and here I need it, and here I need it. So here finish this one and check on the elevation. Go to the front or any view, you can check. So the void is here on this location. I need to stretch it up to this and stretch it up to this. So let me check in the 3D. So here I have to cut. Select this one, select this one. It is not cutting, but no problem, it is not cutting. And here it should be some element. So let me find out this thing. So here go to the front, and here you can see there is no element. So why it is not visible again? So here you can see, just cut and select this element, it is already cut. Why it is not cutting the face? You can see, so this element just HH. Okay, so this is like this, so that's why it is not cutting the element. No problem, but let me check another element. So here for this, create, and I have to take the extrusion and take the peak point, and here I need this peak line, and here I need this peak line, and here I need this peak line, and finish it. Now check in the front. So here this element I need it here on this surface. Now check in the 3D, you can cut now. So select this element, and then now you can see the cut. Now you can little bit stretch down this element, or you can check in the front and you can stretch the element up to this, and again you can check in the 3D, it looks like this. And now it's awesome and it is good. So just load into the project, and here on the home architecture, okay, and override, you can see the changes. It is exactly as per the CAD. Now check here the CAD link, I have to delete it. So here you can see the point. So the drop point will be here as per this CAD. And is it mandatory to follow this thing? And I will not do anything for now. So what I can, so just delete the CAD from here and just load the family into the project, and if any detail will be here, I will update accordingly, no problem. So the furniture, I have to check the elevation. So the furniture is here, so I have to move it. So disjoint and keep the element here, and I need the distance. So how much I can take? So 1.2 meter. So I can take. So move the element, and disjoint will be the option, and take the element up to this and delete the line, and you can see this is okay. Now the element is a gap here in the 3D. Let me check. Okay, so go to the ground floor again, let me check. So here in the below there is element, but it is not in the section, because you know in the ground floor. So just close the unnecessary view, and in the ground floor you can see the section is not cut properly. So I have to take the section up to this to view this element. Yeah, it is clear now. So just close the lock and attach option. So here you can see this is the furniture. So this plumbing fixture, I need to copy it and rotate it 90 degree and move it here on this location, and it is aligned with this wall, no issue, this is perfect. And now I have to check another furniture. This is lift. I have to take a lift family, but problem is that I have to take a cut on this location. So for that, let me check if I have any cut. So I have to go for the window. So here architecture and then window. Now let me check, there will be some opening cut. So I believe it is here. So just it is fixed with this element. Now I need only the cut. So let me check it, and it is not here. The round opening is available, the square opening, yeah, the opening is available. So let me take this one for now, and take this one. You can see it is now cut. Now let me check the dimension. So from here it is 914. So select the family, again edit family. So here duplicate, and I can take 914, and the height I can take 2100, and here okay, and here the height 2100, and the width I can take 914, and okay, just take the parameter and align the family with this line, and let me check in the section, and here the section, move the section here. Now okay, so there will be some element, now it will be deleted, no problem. So rotate again 90 and move the section here, go to the section, and let me check it is here. So the cut is here, so move the cut here, because this will be the door opening for the lift. And the check ground floor 3D, I have to check the lift. So the lift is here, you can see the cut here, yeah, cut is actual. Now it is perfect. Now I have to place the lift, and the lift end will be here. So in that case, in this floor there will be no cut, only the cut will be on the first floor. So in that case I have to check in the section, so I have to check on the ground floor again and check the section and go to this view, and this floor I have to cut. So just pin attach option I need to, okay, so this is the slab inside the structure, I have to edit it inside the structure. So for that, so save this architecture model first, then go for the structure model. So here this is the structure model will be here, so I need the section here on this location. So rotate it 90 and take the section on this location and stretch it, and here go to this section and here cut in this floor. So here for this one, select this floor and then go to the first floor, or you have to go to the ground floor only, and here edit boundaries, and here there should be one cut. So for that I have to take this cut inside it and here finish it. Now okay, you can see in this section, so above the first floor there will be no cut because this elevator is going to the roof. Yeah, I believe it will go to the roof because the machine room of this lift will be on this roof. In that case, in the roof also I have to cut. So for this cut I have to go to the first floor and here edit boundaries, and now take the boundaries here. So the corner to corner I can take and finish it, and yes, now you can check it is cut, but it will be visible in the 3D. You can see the cut. So this will be the cut for the elevator, and the machine room will be here somewhere on this location, but the detail is not clear. In that case I have to check with the client, no problem. So just save the structure and just go to the architecture again. So here this architecture ML, I need to load the structure again, and okay, and you can see in the 3D it is cut. So here just close the attach and pin option for safety, and in the lift you can see it is cut. If you want to stretch the section box, you can see the cut, but Ctrl Z, I don't need it to show now, only I need to see the ground floor. Now what I can, so go to the plan in the ground floor. Now we can see the stair only the remaining, and this family also is the remaining. So for it I have to close the unnecessary view, and this family for what, so I need to close this one, and nope, and now I have to take different family. So for that I have to check in the architecture tower, and here I have taken this family as the hanger. So for that I have to edit the family, and here remove constant, no issue. Now it is open, so fine, and set mode. You can see the opening, but I don't need this opening because it should be very simple, and delete them. Only this opening I need, and for that go to the plan, and I need the CAD, and here will be the CAD. So you can see this is the furniture or cloth hanger, you can W block, and here I need to save the CAD and take the millimeter and open, and okay, perfect. And here for now go to the Revit, and here in this family I need to load this CAD. So import CAD. Now take the name cloth hanger, I need this CAD and current view only, and open. And now it is loaded from this location. You can unpin, unattach, and here unpin and move the element here. But before scale it, I have to go to the ground floor and let me measure the dimension. So here di, again here this is 2365 distance length, and for that now you can go for this family. And now this pin and attach option I need to take, and li 2365 will be the length, enter, and the line will be up to this, and scale the element. So here just scale it and take this point, then this point, then go for this point, and you can see the scale is now done. So tab and select the line and delete, and now you can rotate your element like this and move the element like this. So move it and take the midpoint, and here it is the midpoint. Now I have to check the parameter if it is here. So I believe it is not here. So for that, edit family, and here you can see there is no parameter. So escape and just do the changes here directly. So this is the body, and just align the element up to this and remove constant, and here align the element up to this and remove constant, and no problem. So here this is for what, let me check in the 3D. So just take the fine and here the set mode, and you can see this is the opening, or you can stretch it up to this, and you can stretch it up to this. Now it is over, so only the element is up to this. In that case, select the element, you can take the element up to this, and this is over. Now you can delete, but before delete I have to take the symbolic line presentation for this family. So create or annotation, symbolic line. You can take the line from this corner to this corner, and no more 3D detail I need. So only I need the line, because sometime, you know, as per the costing you have to check the time and annotation. And here the line I need to draw, and if client provide more money, in that case we can go for more detail like dress presentation, everything we can. So but problem is that the time and costing, so the costing is not too much. So in that case I have to do it generic as much as I can. So this family is ready, and that case let me check the front, and it is the family, and this is for what, and let me stretch it up to this, and it is a rack, or check in the 3D, and I need to delete it, no need. So go to the plan, and no need to check anything, everything looks good. So for now just load the family into the home architecture project. The family is here, so just rotate the family, and you can move your family on the midpoint of this location and take the family here. But check always in the section if it is along with the finished floor. So here rotate 90 degree and check the section, and it is okay now, good. So I have to copy the family, or you can mirror it. You can see mirror, and don't need copy. In that case just mirror it. It is not still matching, no problem, just keep the element like this, it is not too much important. And here rotate it, and the rotation will be here, and take the element on this corner and take another copy, and there will be this element, and rotate it 90 degree and move it. Take this corner and take this corner, copy it, and I need it for the another location. Here is another location, and rotate it 90 degree, and here I need to move the element. So on this corner I need to place this element, and now you can align it as per the wall alignment. So now this is over. Also you can check in the 3D in the ground floor. So for that, go to the ground floor, you can see all the furnitures, everything. Now go to the plan, and here this one is for what, so this is nothing, so delete it. And now we have to place the stair and the car, and anything remaining there will be another stair. And okay, so it means this floor will be on different elevation, but problem is that we don't have sufficient information for this. So let me check in the ground floor again. So there will be another step, so it means let me check, there will be another step. So problem is that I have to know about this elevation of this floor. So in that case what I can make a floor, but sometime this floor can be on slope as per the road level, but it is not clear as per the detail section. And now we have to make here something. What is this? This is utility, and I don't have sufficient information for this. So in that case what I can make one thing. So what I can, so here component and model in place, and here generic model I can take. And okay, so okay, and let me take the extrusion, and here from this corner to this corner, and from this corner up to this corner. And now let's finish this thing and finish it. Now let me check the section here, how it looks. It should be up to the 1.2 meters, so 1200, and I can take the element up to this. And let me take the thickness for it. I can take DL, and 25 I can take. So for now let me take 25. So it will be a rack or something, and the detail is not clear, so this will be up to the client. And for now I can keep the same thing. And here for the ground floor, and you can see in the utility there is incomplete information. And what is the in? So this is the in kitchen room, so it means this will be a glass window, so there will be no smoke, there will be no ventilation in that case. So here it is now clear. So in that case check this one and see if, and you can take it. And here you want to check the size. In that case let me dimension it from this line up to this line. It is 1229. Select the family 1229. If any family available I have, here 1220 is available, so I can take this one and align it up to this line. So leave it, and it is I believe okay. So no need to edit anything on this room, only I have to check the elevation for this window. So go for this ground floor, and you can check this will be a glass, or okay, this is the door or window, something like this. And now we have to check in the ground floor the stair. So now the work will be on the stair, so this thing will be different. And here I have to make the opening. So in that case what I can, you can check in the structure drawing. So just close the unnecessary view. This 3D for what I don't know, and I need to close this one, and no. And now let me save this file, and in the stair area I need to keep this thing open. So this is very problematic when you are doing the floor here. So in that case you have to keep the floor up to this. It means that it will be floor. So now what I can, go to the structure, and here go to the ground floor, and take the section on this location, and stretch the section, and stretch the section, and go to this view. And you can see I have to edit something. So here for this, first I have to edit the first floor, and here in this first floor I have to edit boundary, and I have to take another opening. So from here, for that I have to take the line, and let me take the line first, and this corner up to this corner I have to take the line, and up to this, and here up to this. So finish this one now. Okay, so just yes, I don't need it. And here go to this section, you can check the cut, and go to the 3D again. You can see the opening for the stair, and we have to go to the roof also. In that case for roof floor also I have to cut. So in that case, go to the first floor and here edit boundaries, and here I need to cut the floor like this. Draw a line and draw it up to this corner, and here the hatch line is up to this, and here the line will be up to this corner, and finish it. And you can see, yes, I don't need it. And here the line, it looks like this, but no problem. Go to the 3D. You can see on the roof on the first floor there will be some opening, so just save the file, and there is no shaft, that's why it is very easy to make this floor. So go to the ground floor and here close the unnecessary view and save the file again, and go to the architecture model, and in that case manage link, and here structure, reload it, and you can check the opening in the 3D. So the 3D will be here, the ground floor. Now the thing is that I have to model the stair. So the stair will be from this side and it will go up to the first floor and then roof. So now I will do the stair in the upcoming video. For now what I can, it is the room, and here I need to assign the room tag. Okay, now go for it. So here this is the toilet. In that case what we can do, so here go to the architecture and here for the room separation, and here take the line and this corner to this corner, or there is another option, no need room separation. If there is no separation wall, in that case you can take the room separation line, but for now what I can only take the room in this zone. So just take the room, and here it is a single room, you can take the room, and you can see when you are selecting this tag it is automatically catching the boundaries, and here also it will take the boundaries, but it is up to this, no problem, you can take this. And the next will be here the room tag, so you can place the room here, another room you can place it here, another room you can place it here, another place you can keep it here, and here, and here no need room. Okay, no problem, there is no room tag. So take this one, here only one, it will be like a room, but you know it is not taking the room tag. In that case what will happen, so just take the room separation line and take the rectangular from this corner to this corner. Now you can check the room is now available, but problem is that this is not single room, it is like a shaft, or you can call it, it is a lift opening. And now we need room number. Now you can see this room tag, it looks like this. In the architecture level 2 we already use the room tag, you can take it, but problem is that I have to check the room. We need here the size for this room automatically, but I will not show the size tag in this room. And if we need to show the size, in that case you cannot show it properly, because you know this area you cannot take the dimension as a rectangular, it is a odd shape room. In that case you cannot measure it this sizes, so in that it is a theoretical size and it is not practically. So in that case I can take it manually, but I'll not take anything for now. Only what I'll do, just edit the room tag family, and this is the tower room tag family, I don't need it, and just no. And here what I can, so just go to the ground floor, and here what I need, so select this room and edit family, and here this room name I need to edit it, and here it should be duplicate, it should be 2, and remove the 2, and okay, and it should be the 2, and here it will be Arial narrow, and here transparent, okay, no problem. So just leader boundaries 0.5 or 0.2, no problem. And here with factor don't need to edit it, and here line height no need to edit, so here click OK. Now this tag I don't need, and here volume and area if you need you can show, but delete the volume, and the area if you need to show it size by size, this is also possible, but I am not sure in this short time I can show it. So just take this size, and now you can see edit, and here this is the size, and here you can check the square meter size. And if I am not taking this, so here it is the combined area, no I cannot change it like this. So if you want to show it this size this by this, in that case you have to take a comments parameter in this tag. So in that case, so just okay, and just here edit again and remove this one and take the comment and okay. You can see this is a simple comments. You can edit anything, you can add the data, anything whatever you want. So in this space I will copy the size for this room. So now the room tag is ready. So for now just load the family into the project and home architecture, okay, and nope, I don't need to save and override. And you can see the room and it looks like this, the rectangular why it is showing. So again let me check the family, and here the bottom line why it is visible. So again let me check here, it is here somewhere. So I don't need the area tag, delete, and volume tag I don't need, and here the room volume I don't need, so delete, and here the room number also I don't need and delete, and here the so area I don't need, so delete and okay. So here this is not type parameter, so in that case again let me check, there is no boundary outside the text, so there is no boundary. Again let me load the family into the project, so load into project and here okay, and nope, I don't need to save the family and override. And now the same thing, the border is showing. So why it is showing I'm not sure. Okay, so let me check, this is the room area and this is volume, so this family is loaded but still it is not showing here, why? And let me check another room tag. So okay, so why I have taken this thing, so edit family again, and you can see these things are coming and there is no rectangular element. So again let me check, and here there is nothing, only check this one and here is nothing. Only what is the solution for this? So just save the family with a different name. So this is room tag and save as a family, and I need it as a room tag 1 and save the family here. So it means there is no extra type, so here this is only room tag I need to remove, and volume tag also I need to remove, and room tag only the available. So just load the family again inside the home architecture project, and again just escape and you can change the room tag. So now still it is same, why it is showing I am not sure. Again let me check in the edit type, and here this is like this, and this border line why it is showing. Okay, so again I have to edit, or let me check, this is the room name, and okay, nope, I don't need. So what I'll do, so go to the annotation and here I need the room tag, so room tag I need, and it is same, no change. Now let me take this room tag. Okay, so this room tag I need to load inside this new project, and this is the parameter for what, edit, and this is number, and I can take any number, okay, no problem, and leave the thing here and load the family into the project and home architecture, nope. And again let me check, this is the room tag, and now delete this tag, and here this tag I need it here, it should be the toilet, and okay, just I need the another comments. So for this I need the room number, so here you can see number only and number you can see, and I need the scale 50, and here it should be like this, but problem is I don't need any boundaries. In that case just remove the boundaries, and here in this case load into the project and okay and nope and override. Now in this parameter you need 5 feet 9 inch, and into it will be 8 feet 3 inch, so it will be the size, and take the size tag here. Okay, so here this tag I don't need, so here select SA, now change it into this tag. Now this will be the master bedroom. Okay, so it will be master bedroom. Okay, and take the size 10 feet by 3 inch and into, and it will be 30 feet by 3 inch. Now okay, so you can check the room name and room tag. So I will update other room tag in the next upcoming video. Now almost ground floor is ready, only the stair is remaining and the car I have to place. So just save the family, and I believe it is clear. If you like this video, please share this video as much as possible. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.